Hi, this is Christopher Sparrow with iTechGear.org, and I've got the second unboxing of the Gadget Discovery Club monthly subscription box. This time, they have sent me the Rise Shield carbon fiber wallet. Now, to be honest, I'm not going to enjoy the journey here. I'm really not. This is probably the most useless thing that they could have sent me. This is the standard carbon fiber wallet with RFD blocking technology that you have seen probably just about anywhere. I have little to no confidence that this particular carbon fiber wallet, little to no confidence that this is worth $32. It does have a money clip on the back, as you can see. All right, as you can see. All right. It does look rather nice. It's rather slick and slippery, and the only way that you can get something in this particular wallet is to take your card, with your gift card, your credit card, and slide it in the back of the wallet. All right, and you carry it like that. All right. Again, take the card, slide it in the back of the wallet, and push. All right, and you have a couple of cards in your wallet. Now you take cash or whatever, and you can clip it back here, and then you take this whole gadget and you stick it in your pocket. The front of it is and the back are made of carbon fiber. Obviously, it is screwed together with some torque screwdrivers. There's elastic bands on 3 sides, so that you can go ahead and stack probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 8, 10 to a dozen cards in it, and then carry all of those around. When you want, when you're out and about and you want to go ahead and pull a specific card out, you take the cards. There's a small indent right here. You push the cards out, and then you rifle through and grab the one that you want, and you pull it out, and you can use it. And that's the extent of the carbon fiber wallet. According to Rise, and the only documentation on or in the box is on the back. It is a standard carbon fiber wallet. It is an aviation standard carbon fiber, lighter and stronger by design. Smarter card storage holds up to 10 bank cards or membership cards. I had originally said 8 to 12. You could probably fit a few more in there if you stretch it. You just need to realize that you're probably going to go ahead and push the limits on the elastic bands in the wallet. It's got a stainless steel money clip. Ultra slim and stylish. Say goodbye to bulky pockets and purses. Advanced RFID blocking shield technology. Card slimming prevention system. The box includes just the one carbon fiber wallet with the money clip. The technical specifications: it is 8 millimeters in length, 8.7 centimeters. Height is 8 millimeters. Length is 8.7 centimeters. Width is 5.5 centimeters. It weighs 66 grams. It's got an RFID blocking plate and a stainless steel money clip, as I said before, and it's black. I'm going to give Gadget Discovery Club one more shot here, and then I'm going to have to go ahead and figure out some way, likely, unless they come up with something that is absolutely just stunning for next time. I'm going to have to figure out some way of canceling this thing. I tried to go ahead and take a look at that to see if there was something else that may have been coming and what it might be. Again, they don't give you any kind of way of figuring out exactly what they're going to send you. It is a complete and utter surprise. And from that perspective, very exciting. The idea and the concept behind this monthly subscription box is that you don't know what you're going to... It's like a box of chocolates, Forrest said. You never know what you're going to get. All right? And that is fun. I don't know if that fun, though, is worth $32. So we're going to have to figure that one out. We're going to have to think about it. It's put together very well. It's, rather sturdy. For me, though, I don't think this is something that I would want and I would use or I would carry. So for $32, this is a waste of my time and money. All right? I don't know about you. The speaker that I got last month, again, you can go ahead and see that coverage on itechgear.org. It was okay. I may have some sort of use for it. It was very solid and very sturdy, as you can see. I'll have a link in the itechgear.org article that points back to the first unboxing, so you can go ahead and take a look at that. But from my perspective, this is a discovery that I could have gone without. So this is Christopher Spera, sadly, disappointedly, signing off from itechgear.org with the second unboxing of the Gadget Discovery Club monthly subscription box. Hopefully better next time.